Welcome to Veeam Backup and Replication Cloud Edition. The #1 VM backup is now cloud ready. With Veeam Backup and Replication Cloud Edition, you can now copy your VMware or Hyper-V VM backups to Amazon, Azure, or any one of 15 cloud storage vendors automatically. Veeam Backup and Replication Cloud Edition is a powerful, easy to use, and affordable solution that allows you to automatically copy your local backups to the cloud on a scheduled basis. Those backups are compressed, deduplicated, and encrypted. There's no need to learn cloud storage APIs. You simply pass your credentials to the Cloud Edition. There's also no interruption or impact to local backup or recovery operations. Affordable annual subscription licensing means no capital expenditure. No additional hardware is required, and you only pay for the cloud storage that you use. The Veeam Cloud Backup component is installed wherever Veeam Backup and Replication is installed. The first step is to choose which cloud storage you'd like to use. As stated, you can use Amazon, Azure, or any one of over 15 cloud storage providers. Once you have chosen your specific cloud storage, you can create a backup plan. I have one already created that we can look at, and I will edit my backup plan. First, we're going to select which cloud storage we're going to use for our backup plan. For this example, I'm using Amazon S3. Next, we can give it a descriptive plan name, and you can also save the configuration for the backup storage. Next, you'll see we have a simple mode and advanced mode. You'll notice under the advanced mode that we do have the ability to do encryption all the way up to AES 256-bit. Next, we'll choose the backup source. For this example, I've created a folder on my E drive called Veeam Cloud Backups. This is a target for one of my backup jobs. Everything that goes into this folder is going to be sent. I also have the ability to filter out exactly what I want to be sent. For this example, I've chosen to only take the full backups from Veeam Backup and Replication, so therefore I'm only choosing the VBK file. If I wanted to choose every file, I certainly could. You'll also see here we have the ability to either compress or not compress specific files. You'll also see an option at the bottom for reduced redundancy storage. If you're choosing to store your backups to an S3 cloud, you can actually receive a discount if you're not using redundant storage, meaning you have your backups in multiple locations. We also have the ability to set purge options if you'd like to automatically start to purge items after a certain length of time. Next, we can choose our schedule. Either you can do this manually or you can set this up on whatever schedule you choose. Also notice there is a real-time backup option which will monitor the selected folders, and any new files that get added to that will automatically be sent to the cloud. We also have pre- and post actions that allow you to add in additional scripts or batch files if you'd like to do something either before or after this file has been sent to the cloud. We also have the ability to set up notifications. For example, if a backup job were to fail going to the cloud, you can be notified via email. Now that I've made all my settings, I'll simply click Next to create my plan. Once I've created a backup plan, I can run that backup plan on whatever schedule I've chosen or to run it manually. By clicking on the History tab, I can see all of the activity that's happened over the past day, week, or month, seeing exactly what has happened and what's been sent to the cloud. By clicking on Backup Storage, I can see the actual files that have been sent to the cloud. These just happen to have been sent before I made my setting to only select the VBK files, and I have not set purge options to remove any of these files. Once I send all of my files up to the cloud, I also have the ability to set up a restore plan. If I edit the restore plan, you can see I can choose to restore one time or save a restore plan for running at a scheduled restore. We also have the ability to decide if we want just the latest version or we'd like a point in time going backwards to a previous point in time, not just the latest version of that backup. We now have the ability to choose exactly what it is that we'd like to recover, and now we pick a destination for where we'd like to restore that, either back to the original location where it came from or to a specific location. If we chose an encryption option during our backup plan, we need to add in the password to decrypt that specific file. Again, we can set up a schedule to automatically run this restore or set no schedule if we'd like to run it manually. If you have chosen to store your files in either Amazon Glacier or S3, we also have the ability to specify a peak retrieval rate. This could also reduce the cost that it would be to recover your specific files. And that's it. My restore plan has been created. One other option that's really great is to choose cost estimates. This allows me to enter in the cost per gigabyte. Therefore, when I create a backup plan, I can estimate my expenditure for my files sitting on my cloud-based storage. That's it. With Veeam Backup and Replication Cloud Edition, you can store your backups off-site very easily. No APIs to learn, no complex setup, powerful, easy to use, and affordable. Download and try it for yourself.